In Piedmont, California and the East Bay Area at large, it is important to consider how often you should replace your gas lines. The standard answer is every 50 to 70 years. However, the recommended duration of time between upgrades depends on various elements. These variables can be anything including corrosion, if you have iron or lead gas pipes, aging infrastructure, natural disasters, or even mature tree roots expanding and disrupting your pipes. All these factors threaten the stability of your gas line, making it essential that upgrades are completed in a timely manner to ward off hazardous gas leaks. At Avalon Rooter, our mission is to bring more safety and efficiency to your gas line upgrades. We specialize in replacing outdated components and fortifying your gas systems for maximum reliability. Protecting your home and upholding the efficient functionality of your gas system is our top priority. That's why Avalon Rooter provides regularly scheduled maintenance inspections, and each upgrade is tailored to your specific needs. Secure your home today with Avalon Rooter's superior gas line upgrades in Piedmont, California. Invest in guaranteed safety and quality. Contact us now at 510-399-8744 for a no-hassle free consultation.